chicken stock. Okay, welcome back. So a little recap as to what I'm doing. I am putting some of the basic cooking recipes onto video because two of my oldest kids did their food tech GCSE, and when it came to the practical and some cooking advice and some recipes, as a chef they came to me to get the best recipes. So they both passed with A's or nines as it is now. I've decided to take the skills that I've learned over 30 years in professional kitchens and then put that onto camera, be it food tech, or you just want to start cooking in a kitchen, or just want to start out learning to cook, or you just leave school and you want to be a chef. Here's some techniques that are going to show you, from my experience, the best recipes to use when it comes to cooking in a professional kitchen or a home cook. So today we are going to be going through a basic brown stock. So if you're going to make a sauce, a soup, a broth, then this is a necessity, a really crispy, brown, tasty stock. That kind of like loads of aromas, loads of flavour, umami in it. So it's one of those things that's going to be a staple in restaurant kitchens, and you're going to learn how to cook it now. Okay, we're going to use chicken wings for this and some fresh herbs. Going to get some root veg on there and season those wings up, ready for the oven. With a little dash of black pepper, and in they go. Okay, now we're going to roast those wings off at 190 degrees for about 20 minutes so they're nice and golden brown. Here are the 5 vegetables you can put into a stock. Okay, now the bones are roasted, we're going to cut up some celery, some onion. I've got red here, but I normally use white. I've also got carrots and leeks in there. Going to add some fresh thyme from the garden, a couple of bay leaves. Okay, this is called your mirepoix, and this is going to go into a hot oiled pan. Okay, then next up we're going to add a teaspoon of caster sugar. This helps caramelise the vegetables in the pan, gives them a good colour, and adds a little bit of sweetness to the stock. Next, some fresh herbs go in, some crushed cloves of garlic, and we saute those off until they're nice and golden brown. When you learn to cook like this, you can see how there's layers and layers upon layers of flavour going into like the simple things. So as you cook a dish, as you make something, all those flavours kind of transfer into that dish. Okay, now we're going to chop up those roasted chicken wings and add them to the sautéed vegetables. Remember, you're in control of the heat, so if it starts getting too hot, turn that temperature down. Okay, so the chicken's in, the veg is in, it's all sautéed off. I put the caster sugar in there. As I just said, that helps caramelise the vegetables, gives them a really good colour. That colour is going to help turn the stock brown, so that's a brown stock. Next, add cold water to the stock, some fresh parsley, and a tablespoon of tomato puree. This is the juice I got from the bones I roasted yesterday and set in the fridge. Actually, just looking at that, if you took the fat off the top of that gel from the chicken and you use that to fry your vegetables in, that's an extra bonus point. You're getting loads of flavour from the chicken in that. That's chicken fat, solid, neat, pure chicken fat. I've saved the liquid that came off the chicken when I put it in the oven. I've set that in the fridge, and that's given me a really concentrated chicken flavoured gel, which is going to go back into the stock. It's going to give it a little lift of flavour. Okay, as the stock comes to a simmer, you're going to see all the sediment and foam and scum come to the top. We're going to ladle it off really carefully like this. The best way to get the scum off the top is to go a circular motion with the ladle like this, pushing the foam to the edge, and then just scoop it up carefully and remove it. Now, as the stock starts dehydrating, I'm going to add cold water or ice, and this will help bring the sediment to the top. After 2 to 4 hours of simmering the bones, strain them off for a fine mesh sieve or a muslin. Next, bring it back up to a simmer and remove the remainder of the sediment on top. And there we have a nice brown chicken stock, dribbling all over the table because jugs are rubbish. Okay, so one big tick point is when you make this, your house smells bloody amazing. So if you're going to make it, your house is going to smell great. It's going to smell like home cooked food. Great colour, nice and clear. Let's give it a try. Big slurp. That's amazing. That's banging. You need to give that a go. So that's going to be the great base for your sauces, soups, or anything you want. I mean, yeah, literally. I mean, you could drink it like this. You have a beautiful brown chicken stock that can be used in broths. If you're feeling poorly over winter and you feel ill, chuck some ginger and garlic in that stock and just drink it like a soup. Chicken soup for the soul. But that is all you need to know today to get a really good tasty chicken stock. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, especially if you're going for your food tech. If this is giving you an appetite for learning, watch this video next. Take care now. See you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.